Stop paying for expensive API calls. In 2026, the combination of PaperClip and the Hermes agent is completely changing how we handle local AI automation. This isn't just a theory, it's a practical workflow that runs entirely on your machine. We are going to show you exactly how to set this up in under 10 minutes. You will see how these two tools interact to process complex tasks without sending your data to the cloud. It is free, it is private, and it is incredibly fast. First, let's talk about the foundation. You need a robust local LLM runner. We are using Allama because it handles model management seamlessly. If you don't have it installed, run curl fsslh https://olama.ai/install.sh in your terminal. Once installed, pull the Hermes 2 Pro Llama 3-8B model by typing Allama pull Hermes 2 Pro Llama 3:8B. This specific model is fine-tuned for instruction following and agent tasks, making it perfect for our PaperClip integration. Now, let's integrate PaperClip. PaperClip acts as the orchestrator, managing the context and tool calls for the Hermes agent. You need to install the PaperClip CLI tool via pip. Run pip install PaperClip AI in your terminal. This installs the core library that bridges your local environment with the AI agent. Ensure you have Python 3.10 or higher installed. The installation takes about 30 seconds on a modern machine. Once done, verify it by running PaperClip version. You should see version 2.4.1 or newer. Here is where it gets insane. We configure the Hermes agent to use specific tools. Create a config.yaml file in your project root. Define your model as Hermes 2 Pro Llama 3:8B. Add a tool definition for file_read and web_search. When you run PaperClip and it agent Hermes, it generates the necessary prompt templates automatically. This setup ensures that every time the agent needs to access information, it does so locally and securely. No external API keys are required for the core logic. Let's test the speed. Create a simple Python script named main.py. Import the PaperClip client and define a task. Summarize this PDF. Use the command uv run python main.py to execute it with dependency isolation. The Hermes agent processes the document locally, extracting key points in under 5 seconds for a 10-page file. This is significantly faster than cloud-based alternatives because there is no network latency. You can see the raw output directly in your terminal. The real power lies in chaining tasks. PaperClip allows you to create a pipeline where the output of one Hermes agent becomes the input for another. For example, have one agent extract data from a CSV and another generate a report. Use PaperClip chain steps 3 to define this workflow. This modular approach means you can scale your automation without rewriting code. Each step runs independently but shares context through PaperClip's state management system. Privacy is the biggest advantage here. Since Hermes runs locally via Allama, your sensitive documents never leave your computer. This is crucial for legal or medical data processing. Compare this to cloud APIs where data retention policies vary. With PaperClip plus Hermes, you have full control over the lifecycle of your data. You can even run it on an air-gapped machine if needed. This level of security is usually reserved for enterprise solutions, but now it's free. To optimize performance, adjust the context window in your config. Hermes handles up to 8K tokens natively. If you need more, increase the number_CTX parameter in Allama's model file. Run Allama create Hermes custom f/model file to apply changes. This allows the agent to process larger documents without losing context. For most users, the default settings are sufficient, but tweaking this can improve accuracy for long-form content analysis by nearly 20%. Let's summarize the key takeaways. First, install Alama and pull the Hermes model. Second, use PaperClip to orchestrate agent tasks. Third, run everything locally using UV for fast execution. This stack is free, private, and incredibly powerful for 2026 workflows. You can automate document processing, code generation, and data analysis without any monthly fees. The community is growing rapidly, so expect more plugins soon. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the subscribe button. We are diving deeper into AI automation every week. Next video, we will explore how to integrate Whisper for real-time voice transcription with Hermes agents. Don't miss out on these free tools that are changing the game. Leave a comment below if you have questions about setting up PaperClip. Thanks for watching, and keep building locally.